name is Laura. We learned a lot of how to do it like we do it, like we wanna. We just know.
Hey guys, okay, I'm Mo Elizabeth and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I want to talk about one of my most requested video, and that is how to make money in global internet fortunes. Okay, first what you need: pen and a notebook. Global Internet Fortunes is a limited company incorporated in Kenya. The first thing before you start an online business, you have to know the legitimacy of the business. So first, by knowing the legitimacy, you have to know where it is located. It is an online business, yes. Offices. So office, like we have offices in Mombasa, in Eldoret, in Nakuru, and wherever. So these offices are places where people go to consult and also to meet other business partners. Yeah, there are downlines, there are uplines. So once you're in this business, you have to know wherever the offices are. So the second thing you have to know, it must have a KRA pin. So in JF we have our own KRA pin. I will put everything like on this side. Yeah, the government registration number, and that is what we have. And the next thing, we have been approved by top banks and top pay processors. Those are methods that someone uses to withdraw money or to deposit, how you are going to get paid. Yeah, we also have been approved by KENIC and also the CAK. So KENIC is a body that oversees the distribution of .co.ke domains in Kenya, and then the CAK is the Communication Authority of Kenya. So you guys just have to forgive me. I've been literally copying from this. I have no, I prepared for this video very much, and then I forgot. It is just like a lot of content and putting them here. I'll run mad, oh, you know. Like English also is not my thing. So if I like nikisoma sana sitaweza. JF is an award-winning company. We have some trophies from KENIC. Yeah, so KENIC is like, it controls all the registrars in Kenya. So registrars are all those companies that distribute websites and blogs. Who is GIF? GIF is an online marketing and web hosting company that sells its services through the concept of network marketing. Network marketing, I will tackle that later as we continue in the video. GIF sells first, web hosting services, second, online marketing services. When we start with the web hosting services, we have the domains, we have web hosting, and then we have blogs and websites. Email marketing, we have an e-commerce, making money online. So how web hosting works, I will put it right here. No, this side, yeah. What is a domain? A domain is a unique and specific address that points to a website hosted on a server. So an example of a domain is www.facebook.com, www.yourname.com, www.safaricom.com. When you join JF, you will have a ready-made blog or website. This one will be live in 30 minutes after you have joined the business. You will get your blog fully hosted. E-commerce, we have online marketing, we have blogging, online advertising, email marketing. Use your blog to make money online. Summary of JF products or services. Of domain. Second, we have your own blog or website. Third, we have JF hosting. Sell JF services and make money online. So what is network marketing? Network marketing is performance-based marketing, where an individual is compensated for referring a customer to purchase the same product that he or she is reselling for a certain company. For example, I am reselling JF services. If I refer you, that is, network marketing. It's performance based, so you have to work to earn. Network marketing is also known as referral marketing, friend-to-friend recommendation, word of mouth advertising. Network marketing is one of the highest paying professional careers worldwide. It's being taught in the University of Illinois in Chicago. It is recommended by top personalities and financial experts, those billionaires, those millionaires. Yeah, you can see them. There are two ways of earning in GIF. The first way is by being a customer. The second way is by being an agent. You can be one or you can be both. There is nothing like being an agent alone. It's good to be both because they rhyme. How to make money with GIF services and referral marketing plan. So first we have how to make money with GIF blogs now and the website. So first, you can use your blog or your website to advertise your products. So these products are like, maybe you have your thrifted clothes, you have a boutique, do real estate, you do whatever. You can use this blog to get more customers. You use it to advertise your products, the things that you sell. Everyone nowadays knows that the largest market is online. Everyone's concentration nowadays has shifted to their phones. So that is where the market has gone to. Run and advertise other companies' products or adverts in your blog, and then you get paid. An example is partnering with Google AdSense. So Google AdSense pay people when you run their adverts on your blog. Partnering with Jumia. So when you work with Jumia, you can be an affiliate marketer. So when you advertise their products on your website, they compensate you. An affiliate marketer is someone who is the third party between the company and the buyer. Yeah, so that is an affiliate marketer. It is called affiliate marketing. Let me say you work with Jumia. Jumia is an online shopping mall. Once someone purchases your product using Jumia's banner code, you get compensated a commission. Every product that will be purchased from your website or advert, you get paid on that. Build your brand and get paid. There are so many big companies out here which are searching for social media experts, so you can be one of them. Let me say you have a good branding. A company can hire you to manage their social media sites. Let me say like Twitter, Facebook, whatever. You get paid from that. You must make sure that you get paid from whatever you do. English CA2. Article, academic writing, and affiliate programs. So I've talked about affiliate marketing, and then article writing. Maybe you are a good writer, maybe you know English, maybe you know how to speak or write English. Do it online. Online has the largest market. People share things only through links, and it's so easy, and it reaches a large number of people at a short period of time. And use your platform, the website you will get from global internet fortunes, to advertise or write articles so that people can see on. How to make money with GIF services by becoming an agent. When you are becoming an agent, you resell the company's products and services. So GIF, we offer services. You buy GIF web hosting services. So the services that I said before, you buy them, you purchase the services. So by purchasing the services, first you upgrade to a customer. To upgrade to a customer, you pay 5,500 Kenya shillings. That is $55. When you are in other countries, you can purchase the .com domain, or even if you are in Kenya and you want .com, you can purchase it with $60. It has an extra $5. The renewal amount is paid every month. Let me say you join the business on 3rd of September. So when you join business on 3rd of September, then the next month on 3rd, you are supposed to renew your account. So by renewing your account, you renew with $15. That is 1,500 Kenya shilling. The next thing is when you earn. Here you earn using referral marketing. So when you refer people, you get downlines. So those downlines also will refer others. They will get also other downlines. The first people you refer directly, like me and you, direct, not anyone between us. So that is, you earn $20 straight. $20 is 2,000 shillings. No limit in referring people. There's no limit in this business. You do it like throughout. So the first person you refer, you earn $20. Then there are matching bonus until level 7. This matching bonus come from your team, the people whom you referred. When you refer people, all those people also refer others. So this is the referral plan. Yeah. So we use the power of 5, for example. Using the power of 5, you just help 5 get their 5. But that one doesn't work in network marketing. Who does that? Like 5 to get their 5? Really? Okay, what you do is just inviting massively. Have so many directs with no limits. It is the game of numbers. If you want to use the power of 5, then it will not work, because people quit business, get sick, so they cannot be able maybe sometime to do the business. So what you need is just to replace every person that joins the business. Like I joined today, you replace another person after me, and then you replace the other one, because you don't know whether this person will stay in the business forever. On level 1, you'll earn $20. Level 2, you'll earn $5. Level 3, you'll also earn $5. Level 4, you will earn $3. Level 5, you will earn $3. Level 6, you'll earn $2, and level 7, you will also earn $2. Yeah. So we have income from the first month's new sales. Income sums up to 19,960,000 only with consistency. This one happens when you reach your level 7. Monthly renewal commissions with consistency sums up to 9,700,000. 3 years with consistency and doing business right will land you there. Much of the work is on your first year of network marketing. Penye pesa ina flow. Yeah, where money flows, flow with it. Yeah. I'm tired.
She's filled from 11 and it's 26.
She's lying.
Sidanganyi. Mimi nidanganyi? Mimi nani?
Noel Ima
Eh?
is lying.
Sidanganyi. Nidanganya.
Sikulikuwa na watu wa census.
Anyways.
We love you so much and we want you guys to get this money. Noel Cynthia?
Well, yes, pata pesa.
Yeah.
Pata ni pesa.
Pata pesa, like
Kama
kuna penye watu wanachota pesa. Enda chota.
Chota pesa tu. Alafu ninunulie
vitu gani? Okay, there are also GIF testimonials where people earn money weekly, daily. Whoever invited you to watch this video should give you some few testimonials. And then achievers, some people in this business are really, really successful. So what next? Join GIF by creating a free account. Creating a free account is free, like I've said. You just use the link, then you use your inviter's username. The username is Moya. Username, you just use, or you search for Global Internet Fortunes on Google. You must have an inviter in GIF. Yeah, in any network marketing company, there must be an inviter. So the person who invited you, you use that name, the username, to join. That username will enable you to create a free account before you join fully with the 5,500 or the $60. So 5,500. If I give 5,500 right now, many days will it take you to consume that money? It will just take me like hours. I swear. Hours. Because utaona nguo, utachukua. You'll see like whatever things, it's just a little money. So why don't you use that money to invest on something that will benefit you in the future or whatever. I'm just saying. The next thing is to upgrade to being a customer. By upgrading, you use the 5,500 shillings. How to build and grow your JF business. To build and grow your business, first you'll get contacts daily. I said daily. Kila siku. At least 100 new people in your contact list every day. So this is by using all social media platforms. You use it wisely. First you use Facebook, you can use Instagram, you can use Twitter. So what's the point of going on social media with your bundles and whatever and not earning from it? Well, you can work with JF, you can work with other people and make some amount of money. Meaning social media just makes money from you instead of you making money in social media. So just try and turn that thing just around like this. Swallow that ego that you have and just invest for the future. It's so important. Some people just don't see the meaning right now, but in the future you guys will see. So sales commissions are paid weekly, every Friday. When you made a sale this week, you wait till Sunday, withdraw your money. Safaricom checks a payroll of each and every person who withdrew the money on the previous Sunday. So by doing that, they pay people by Friday. Days we used PayPal. You log into your account because no one is supposed to touch that money. Even if I am your inviter, I should not even know your password to your account because that is just like your online bank. So the next thing is your password and your username to log into your account. Once you are logged in, deposit the upgrading amount with $55 or $60. So that one you use to purchase the hosting services. So there is always a way. I know right now you have an invite. Go back to the person who invited you to watch this video. If you are someone who just came across this video on social media and is really interested to join the business, reach me. I will leave my number in the description below. We can talk about business and also share some other more businesses. I will also leave my email, my social media platforms. And by the way, there is no easy way of making money. You just have to grind daily. Wake up early, go late at night, just work and work and work. Having money is not a problem. Then being happy with the money you have or you have managed to get or managed to earn. Not everyone gets money in a legitimate way or whatever. So there is no easy way, whichever the way. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. See you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking that red thing there, that red thing. If you don't know, then you click on the bell and ring the bell so that you cannot miss on my next video. Thank you guys for watching. In case you have any questions about this business, you can correct me down below in the comment section. Next video will not be about global internet fortunes, I swear. So see ya. Bye.